Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today it's Sunday Shave. Real quick, I'm gonna wet my face. Oh yes, it is Sunday and it is time for a shave. Today's soap is going to be by A&E, and it is Asian Pear. Now for me, this particular soap, it kind of reminds me of Stirling's, I think it's Pearberry, or what was it? It was something that had a pear scent to it. Here's what it looks like. And to me, this is a little bit spicier, I'll say. And I got it because it had mentioned in there a tobacco scent, and I will put a scent profile right here for your viewing pleasure. I do have that already whipped up in the Captain's Choice copper bowl, and I used 1/4 teaspoon like always, and I think I used right around 10 milliliters of water. Let's go ahead and get lathered up here, and I am using the PAA Peregrino Brush. It is a synthetic knot, and it is very soft. I have thought about replacing the knot in it because I do like a little bit stiffer of a, the bristles, I like them to be a little bit stiffer just because I feel like it helps lift up the hairs and get the soap everywhere it needs to be. A little bit of exfoliation. And today's razor is going to be by Alpha, and this is the Outlaw razor, and it is all copper. It's a very beautiful razor. And let's go ahead and put the blade in there, which I'm going to be using the Gillette Silver Blue blade. And one of the things I wanted to show on this particular razor, and hopefully I can get it to where you can see it, is those little tabs that hold the blade in place. See if I can do this without cutting my fingers, because there's no tab overhang here. Let's see, can you see that? The tabs are actually quite a bit smaller than the opening on the razor blade. I don't know if you can see. Can you see that? You can't see it. Anyway, there's enough movement in there that you need to check your blade alignment. And in my opinion, for this type of razor, I think it should be, the tolerance should be quite a bit tighter, because when you go to put it in there, the blade alignment is not always correct. And so it's off now. I will have to make a minor adjustment. Okay, I have it lined up properly. And the reason that's an issue is because if that blade is farther this way or that way equally, one side is going to feel a little bit different, but at the same time, it could be in there kind of diagonal. So one part of this part might be a little smoother than that part. And so I find that to be an issue. All right, let's go ahead and warm up the razor. And since it's copper, it does hold the heat, which is very nice. Let's go ahead and get our shave going. Oh yeah. This razor is starting to patina a little bit, which I am surprised that it hasn't started doing that a little bit earlier. I do have the mild plate, and if I remember right, it's 0.72 as far as the blade gap, and they do claim that this is a 2-pass razor. so that it will give you less irritation, which is right up my alley. That's one reason why I do like a little bit more aggressive razor. And you know what? I forgot to put Preshave on. That's okay. It's all right. If there's a problem, I'll believe it's that. Let's go ahead and get lather. Let me see here. Oh yeah. Plenty of slickness there. You know, to be honest, that razor knocked it down very well. Some may stop right there and say no more. This has a nice scent to it, but being that I do have another soap that is similar to this one, I do not think I would buy it again, just based on that. All right, let's go across the grain. I don't have my eyes in today, so I'm just freehanding it. Many of you will tell that I did get my hair cut, so that is nice. This razor did make it into my keep list, as you can see. I did pretty well as far as out of the ones I was getting rid of. I sold quite a few. And the post lady looked at me when I got them all packaged up. I go ahead and have them ready to go. I do a pre-order on the shipping labels, and so all I have to do is drop them off. And I walked in there like Santa Claus, had a bag full of packages 20 minutes before they were closing because I wanted to try to get all the razors out. And she was just kind of like, let me get cleaned up and I will be right back. I did remember my ice cube, so let's go ahead and do that for the post shave. Oh yeah, wow, that's nice. And of course the old black sheep Lancaster towel. And let's go ahead with some Stirling Splash. I need a little bit more of that. Wow, nice and smooth. That definitely got everything I needed to get. And I'm going to apply some Frostbite Star Jelly. Well, did you guys have a great weekend? We're going to have a nice Easter lunch, as I keep loving on the Star Jelly. Well, there you go. Another nice shave to write down in the books. I will put a picture right here of everything that I used today. And if you haven't considered subscribing, please do that now to keep updated with the upcoming videos. And I got some menthol in my eyes and I love it. All right, I will see you guys on Will It Shave Wednesday. You have a great rest of your weekend.